If you're experiencing any issues with the Instagram app, your feed, messages, or any type of glitches, you can reach out to Instagram support to report a technical problem. We'll show you 2 ways to do this, both with and without using the Shake feature from your Samsung or any other Android device. Now, first of all, whenever you're having any problem, just stay in that section and then shake your phone like this. A pop-up will come up, tap on Report Problem, tap on Include and Continue. This is the screenshot of that problem that Instagram took when you shook the phone. Now write your problem in specific and then just tap on this Send button. Now just in case if this Rage Shake problem is not working on your device, before going to the second way, first make sure to take a screenshot of your problem. And then from your profile to the hamburger menu, scroll down for Help, to report a problem. Now you can go back, use the Shake phone option or disable it, and then manually report a problem. And then upload the photo that you took of your problem from your gallery. And finally, just go ahead and send it. And please let us know in the comments if this could solve your problem or not. Thanks for watching.